nice guys, it's actually adding our resources and it works perfectly. As you can see, we got it for free. Hey other people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got unlimited resources for my FC mobile game absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software guys. It's all online and I will show you everything step by step how you can get this, and later we will test it, does it actually work. So guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or your PC or even with your PlayStation guys. It works for everything. Just follow my steps and we will go through everything. So guys, let's go to Google or any browser you got and navigate to this website. It's called appsnake.com. You will find it easily, and then click on FC Mobile. So we'll have to enter our FC Mobile user ID. I have already copied it guys, so I will paste it. And if you don't know how to find your user ID, just click here. It's really easy guys. So go to your settings and you will have up there copy user ID, and just copy it and paste there. So click continue when you paste this and allow it up to 5 seconds to search for it. As you can see, user found. It's really important to get guys. So there we go, our account is connected, and now second step is to select our coins, gems, points and tokens amount. So guys, I will select this almost 1 million, all these resources. So please just click continue. It's currently the maximum, and let's wait for this third step to load up guys. API is connecting, so make sure to subscribe to my channel Mighty Rads to get more updates and more tutorials. I will record it more and review more websites. So yeah, nice guys, there we go, API is connected, and now we'll have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not robot guys, and it should redirect us to the manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our resources on our FC mobile. So guys, it's one-time verification, so it's all easy. And guys, we will have a list of 6 free tasks, and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. So guys, you can complete literally whatever you like from this list. You can download games, you can download apps, you can complete this simple question. It's really up to you. So what will I do now? I will download TikTok and merge gardens. So guys, how you download it? Just click free, just click go, and it will start downloading from Google Play if you're using your Android phone, and if you're using your iOS, it will start downloading from the App Store. So guys, it's all free and from the official publishers, and you don't have to worry. And one more important step is to follow their instructions. So for TikTok, I will download and install this, then run it for 30 seconds. And for Merge Gardens, I will install it and reach level 9. So guys, that's pretty much it. What will I do now? See when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this and this task from this list. As I said, TikTok and Merge Gardens, I have downloaded it and I have followed their instructions, and I got this message guys: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text guys. I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and nothing happened. It should redirect us every single second, so let's wait and let's see does it actually work. So nice guys, there we go, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check guys. Our coins, gems, points and tokens are sent. So let's open our FC mobile and let's see does it actually work. So guys, let's hope it's working. So it's test that I was talking about, and we will live test it, does it actually work. So yeah, let's wait for this. So nice guys, it's actually adding our resources and it works perfectly. As you can see, we got it for free. FC mobile glitch actually works. So yeah, this is pretty much it guys for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel Mighty Rats. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.